What does it do? Uh-oh, we're here to do the giveaway, right, Alyssa? Yeah, 5. What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Hopefully y'all are having a great Tuesday, right? Okay, yes. So we're gonna get right into this. I want to give a huge shout out to Super Clean. They gave me a sweatshirt, and I was totally surprised today. I'm super excited. I love sweatshirts and hoodies, especially zip-up ones.
You're talking to yourself.
I know I'm talking to myself. Don't I sound weird? It's weird. Yeah, I know. I'm just a weirdo. And it's got a nice design in the back. Super Clean. So Super Clean, thank you. Shout out to y'all. Is there something on me? Oh, okay. Shout out to y'all, Super Clean. I appreciate y'all. And we're here to announce the winner, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then when we're done with this, we're gonna what? We're gonna watch a movie.
Frozen 2.
We're gonna watch Frozen 2 tonight. I'm excited about that. I love me some Frozen. Love you. And so here we go. We're gonna announce the winner. Do you want me to say the name, or do you want to say the name?
Me.
Okay. What's her first name? Sam. Sam Smotherman. Congratulations. You are the winner. I hope you like that design that we got going on. We got a bunch of flowers. We got some rainbow action. Bam. Sam Smotherman. This will be coming in to you in the mail tomorrow. Send me an email at aqualuxautodetailing@gmail.com and we'll get in touch. Appreciate all y'all's support and just allowing me to, I don't know, this is fun for me and my family. And you having fun too? You like doing this? Okay. And we'll get Alyssa in some of the more videos. So appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great night. I'm gonna go get some dinner and we're gonna watch a movie. So y'all take care.
Yeah.
You wanna say bye?
I won't take a bit.
Say bye.